Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the correct bulb type and laying out tools so you don't stop mid-job. Put on gloves to avoid oil on the glass. Once done, disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Release the hood, prop it, and position the flashlight to light the headlamp pocket. Remove the plastic trim clip at the inner fender using the flat screwdriver, then pull back the wheel well liner enough to access the headlight housing screws. You now unbolt the headlamp assembly using the 10 mm socket. Keep each bolt visible so reinstallation is straightforward. Once the bolts are out, pull the assembly outward just enough to reach the back. Don't force it, because plastic tabs can break. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab, then release the retaining spring or remove the rubber cap on the bulb. You'll feel the bulb disengage. Twist and pull the old bulb straight out to avoid contact with the glass. You insert the new bulb by the base only, aligning the locator tabs and seating it fully before fastening the retaining spring or cap. Reconnect the electrical connector, then push the headlamp assembly back into position and reinstall the 10 mm bolts, hand tight plus a snug quarter turn to avoid cracking. Reattach the wheel well liner and clips, reconnect the battery, and test both low and high beams. If the beam is misaligned,
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.